follow my lead. We on the road to achieve
success, no settle for less.
No need.
If you could dream, you can achieve what you believe.
What's going on YouTube? Coming at y'all again with another video. Today I'm gonna show y'all how I make my protein shakes. I consider my way to be the best way. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay y'all, as y'all can see, this is the ingredients that we have to make this protein shake. I got the Optimum Nutrition whey protein. What is this? What flavor is this? Chocolate. Yeah, double rich chocolate. Got it over at Vitamin Shop. I've been using this for years, probably since I was like 13, 14 years old. Excellent whey protein. Also, we have the powdered peanut butter. I just get one serving of these, so I'm at about 2 tablespoons, which, as you can see, if I can get this thing to focus. Focus. Here we go. As y'all can see, that's 1.5 grams fat, 6 grams protein, 4 grams carbs. And I also got some lactate fat-free milk. My system can't really handle that regular milk. Send a brother to the bathroom, so I gotta go with this expensive lactate milk. So it's pretty standard, you know, 8 grams protein, 13 grams carbs, 0 fat. Now the container we're using for this is going to be the Nalgene. This is actually the Rogue edition. I got this one off of Rogue. It's a little bit beat up, but 32 ounces. I know most people use this to drink water out of, but I actually use this to make my protein shakes. In the past, I've used blender bottle, and it just really didn't work out too well. I probably went through like 5 of them in a span of 3 months. So I was just done with that, fed up. I was like, I'll just go with something else. But I did, however, use their little metal spiral thing. What I do is I put this inside of here. Fill up 16 ounces of milk or water, whatever you choose. I choose milk though. I'm gonna fill it up to the 16 ounce line. Perfect, just enough. And we got 2 tablespoons of this stuff right here. Just kind of level it off. 1, 2. Okay, good. I gotta whip out the funnel now. Just 1 scoop of these will give me 24 grams of protein. Alright, so total we'll have 46 grams of protein. We'll have 2.5 grams of fat, and we'll also have 33 grams carbs, just for the macros. Give y'all a rundown on the macros. Shake that in there, get it a few times just to make sure we get all of that out. Now the reason why I like this way a whole lot better is because I can actually screw the cap on. And when I was using a blender bottle, sometimes because of the way their setup is, where you actually have to like pop the lid off where you drink at, sometimes when I would shake it up, the lid would come off, it would get messed up. A lot of times the lid will wind up breaking, but this Nalgene bottle is a lot more durable. About 30 seconds to shake that up. Usually doesn't take that long. Optimum Nutrition is a good whey protein, so typically a finer protein is not going to take that long to actually shake up. Now your cheaper proteins, they will produce a lot of clumps, but the purpose of this spiral metal thing that's inside is to eliminate all that. This is certainly a lot better than using a blender. Using a blender is just too much you got to go through. You got to clean it out. It's just too much. You really don't have to do all of that. You can just use this, fill it up with 16 ounces of milk or water, or both if you choose to. Put the protein in there, and voila, you're done. You can just leave that in there. So I hope this video has been helpful. I hope that y'all really enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section if you dig my way of doing it. If not, you know, either you do or you don't. You know, let me know either way. Like this video, give it thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, check my other videos out. Let's get it.